This weekend, I'm going for a short motorcycle camping. I'm going to Woodstock, Bethel, New York, to see the famous Woodstock Concert Museum. And from there, I'm going to go and stay overnight in a nearby campsite, and then I'll come back tomorrow. Okay, come on, let's go. Guys, my destination is a place called Bethel in upstate New York. It is 60 miles from the town of Woodstock, where the Woodstock Museum is located. I'm avoiding highways, that's why it will take 3 hours to cover 110 miles of mountain roads. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm leaving my neighborhood now. Weather is beautiful today. Luckily, no rain forecasted for this weekend. The speed limit in this stretch is 55 miles. I'm going down now, and it's quite long. I've been driving from past 10 minutes till it's all downhill. Because of the mountains, I think it is quite cool here. I'm feeling the cool breeze. So now I'm climbing the mountain. It's basically a valley drive. Very nice. I just reached my destination. I can see some bikes. They're parked here. I'll park next to them. It took little more than 3 hours because on the way I stopped at one place to have my coffee. Come on, let's go and see the museum. 1969, 3 days Woodstock Historic Music Festival was held here. Guys, to know more about this museum and the music festival itself, there are many YouTube videos are available. Please watch that. This is the same location where more than 400,000 people watch 3 days festival. Time to ride to the campsite. It is only 4 miles from here. I got a nice spot here, not very deep in the woods. This facility has a small recreation center where you can spend some time. It all looks antique. I bought some vegetables from home, also some rice, and I'm going to cook dinner now. Uh, that's enough for me because a spicy porridge, because I'm a bit diet conscious guy. I'm only a little bit concerned of bears coming in the night. Anyhow, I don't have any food stored inside. Not bad. I had a very good sleep yesterday night. The temperature has dropped down a bit, but anyhow, this sleeping bag kept me warm. The owner of this place is very nice guy. He prepared coffee for me, so I prepared breakfast. It's time to dismantle the tent and then pack it and head home. Guys, way back, the roads were very nice, all mountainous road, beautiful, but unfortunately I forgot to switch on my GoPro. I didn't record it. So anyhow, I reached home safely. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you very much.